Hello, kids, seedling. Today, we're learning about leguminous plants. Leguminous plants are plants that grow seeds in long pods. They are super helpful because they make the soil rich in nutrients like nitrogen. Let's explore and learn more about them. Peas. P-E-A-S Peas. Groundnuts. G-R-O-U-N-D-N-U-T-S Groundnuts. Lentils. L-E-N-T-I-L-S Lentils. Soybeans. S-O-Y-B-E-A-N-S Soybeans. Chickpeas. C-H-I-C-K-P-E-A-S Chickpeas. Cowpeas. C-O-W-P-E-A-S Cowpeas. Alfalfa. A-L-F-A-L-F-A Alfalfa. Pigeon peas. P-I-G-E-O-N-P-E-A-S Pigeon peas. Clover. C-L-O-V-E-R Clover. Fenugreek. F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K Fenugreek. Vetch. V-E-T-C-H Vetch. Lab beans. L-A-B-L-A-B-B-E-A-N-S Lab beans. These plants often have pods with seeds inside, and they're really important for farmers and for us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.